So good morning everyone. Today I have a project. It's a Rosa Style Villa and I'll take you in. You have off-road parking there for one car and a pedestrian gate. The noise down below are the gardeners. So this villa is down below these steps. They're quite steep steps. Just showing you. And as you can see just there, you've got gas boiler and understairs storage. So here is the pool area. Really nice pool. You have a shower over there. There's your pump for your pool just there. And I just want to come on this side to give you a glimpse of the house itself. So that's the house. You could just imagine when that's all done up how fabulous that would be. So you got your balustrade going up the stairs, your balustrade on the terrace, and a balustrade again up here on the rooftop solarium. And this would just look lovely when it's all done up. You have an amazing underbuilt there that needs reforming as well. Okay, so I'm going to take you in and around. I'm going to start with the underbuilt. There's a shower there. And just up there, if you wanted to bring the car park back to this wall here, you could fill that in and you'd make room for 2 cars. Okay, I would imagine you could anyway. So let's go inside. So I'm just going inside. You have a window just there and you have a glass block window there. You've got a little kitchenette here. It has a gas hob and oven electric, and you have got sink and drainer. Plenty of top units and base units for just an outside kitchen for the garden. And you've got a little dining area here where you can sit down. Okay, you can keep all your sun loungers and that in here. Now you've got a lovely door here, glass door, through this little corridor here. In here we have a bedroom. Okay. The bed in here, you've got switches and sockets. Needs a bit of work. Just panning around for you so you can see. Okay. And you've got a standard light up there. Now just across from that bedroom, you have got a bathroom, a shower room. So you've got a single shower, WC, and sink and pedestal, and a large mirror. You've also got a standard light fitting there in the ceiling. A tile missing, but that's easy replaceable. Okay, so just in here is another bedroom, a double bedroom. Okay. You have a socket down there. I'm just going to shut the door behind me. So, good size room, okay? This all needs rendering again or whatever. So as you can see, a project. So in here is the underbuilt of the underbuilt. That's the correct thing to say. So, just want to show you, it is quite big under here. You have a washing machine over there. It's quite big. Not the washing machine, the underbuilt. Now this looks as if it's plumbed in over here. So you have got plumbing. Okay? And you've got sockets there as well. So you've got electricity and plumbing down here. Obviously you've got that shower room. Okay, so I'm going to take you up to the main house. So this is something that if you had family or friends over, they could stop in here, okay? So I'm going to take you up the stairs. So there's lots of steps up, so I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. So guys, this is the terrace of the front of the property, which overlooks the pool down below. There are quite a lot of steps, so this villa may not suit somebody that got knee problems. Okay, got beautiful views all across the countryside there. You have a standard light above. I'm going to take you inside now and we'll have a look around. So, you have a feature fireplace that's never been used. You have ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. Dual aspect windows here, guys. So I'm just going to go over here and pan around. And of course you've got your dining area just there. Alright, your hatchway to your kitchen. In here you've got top and base units, electric hob, oven, your sink and drainer, and your fridge freezer. So all you need to make a meal or whatever. So down through here, we're going into the master bedroom now. So you've got integrated wardrobes, overhead storage, and as I pan around you can see that there is a ceiling light and fan, and there's patio doors, and they lead out onto the parking. You've also got a wrecker on there as well. So as you can see, the house needs a little bit of TLC. It's a bit of a project. And I'm now going to take you into the ensuite. So in here, this is all fully tiled. Needs a bit of grouting there in the corner, but that's all it needs. You have got a bath and a shower attachment, WC, bidet, and a sink and pedestal. Okay. You have got your window there, your frosted glass window. I'm just shutting the bathroom door so I can pan around for you just to show you that there is a single wardrobe there for all your bits and bobs. Keep your towels in or whatever for the bathroom, and you have an overhead socket. And you've also got a shaving socket by the sink there as well. Okay. So now just in here, you have your second bedroom. You can fit a double bed in here if you wish to do so. And you've got integrated wardrobes. You've also got a standard light fitting above. Okay. So just over here is your shower room. You've got a washing machine here as well as the underbuild. Frosted glass window, your shower, and just here little unit and your sink and pedestal and your towel rail. Okay. So a grand little house has a doer upper. So what do you think, guys? Look at those amazing views over there. Nice area too. So I'm going to take you upstairs and I'm going to have a look at the rooftop solarium. So see you at the top, guys. So I'm just up here. You have storage there. And what is unusual on a Rosa is it goes around there. So I don't know if this roof is slightly bigger than normal. So I just want to show you the views. Absolutely beautiful. Lovely views all the way around. We are on an urbanisation called Camposol on the Costa.Calida. We are 20 minutes from local beaches, and there's several of them. And we're 30 minutes from Cavera Airport, which is Murcia International. So quite close to get to if you bought this as a holiday home and did it up for yourself, you know. So, guys, I think this is a good buy if you're someone who likes a bit of DIY or a builder. So I'm back on the terrace again here. I do like this terrace. Lovely views. I got great views of your pool down here as well. So if you're interested in this property, do contact Dawn. info@lettoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference number of this property in the title of the video. Okay, so until the next time, guys, take care, and I see you again.